Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am introducing a groundbreaking platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize the way educators create personalized lesson plans and exercises. So let's explore. So you can see here the artificial intelligence for your classroom. It is subject specific teaching material is available. You can see here. So first of all you need to sign up. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So once you sign in, you will reach on this destination. So with the free plan, you can create 5 exercises, 3 worksheets and 2 lesson plans per month per Google ID. So let's start and explore more. So you can click on exercises. You can see here, this is a platform which can provide subject specific exercises. So for example, if you're a mathematics teacher or English teacher or history teacher, you can go accordingly. Let's try as a mathematics teacher. Yes, I'm going to click here. So you can see here there are a lot of options are already available. You can choose your option according to your subject. You can see there's addition, fraction, division and so on. Similarly, let's try chemistry. Just click here. Consider you want to create a crossword puzzle or a mind map. So you need to click here. Let me try crossword puzzle. Just click here. You can choose the difficulty. You can see here options are available and you can also write in other languages. I'm choosing English and I'm taking medium and I need to write down on which topic I want this task. So I'm going to write down. So you can see the crossword puzzle has been generated. You can see the cross is written over there and down is written over there. This is really amazing. Not only crossword puzzle, you can also create mind map, multiple choice, table, create text and so on. So you can choose multiple exercises according to your subjects. Now let's move quickly to the lesson plan part. You need to click here and some information is required. You can select the language of the lesson plan. I'm selecting English. You can select the age, let's say 16 to 18. Select duration, let's say 90 and topic of lesson. Let me try one topic. So I have written acid, bases and salts and just click create lesson plan. Wow, you can see here a complete lesson plan is available including objectives, outlines, and it is very perfectly and professionally designed. You can download it as document or you can share the lesson plan. So you can see here there are a lot of tools. I don't want to make this video very long, but there is a glossary. You can create essays, flashcards, crosswords, mind map, multiple choice and so on. Once you finish, your content will be saved here. Another important tool I would like to share is here. You can click on YouTube to worksheets. You can create a worksheet from any YouTube video very quickly. Similarly, you can give any website and can create worksheet very quickly. This is an amazing platform to create a very quick and subject specific lesson plan, worksheet and exercises. You can also discover ready-made worksheets here according to your subject. There are a lot of worksheets are already available on this platform. I tried multiple options and found this platform really useful. Please try and write your feedback in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.